Hello, my name is Bruce Rogerson from the Coast Guard Auxiliary, America's volunteer lifesavers here in Mendocino. I am a boat owner and an auxiliary boat crew member. With the salmon season open for the first time in over 2 years, many of you will be readying your boats to go fishing. To help you prepare for a safe boating season on the coast or on our inland lakes, the auxiliary is offering a 2-day boating class. On Saturday, June 5th and Sunday, June 6th, we will teach a 2-day boating skills and seamanship course for the general public at the College of Redwoods in Fort Bragg. The class runs from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day. There is a class fee, which includes the textbook and student guide. Students who complete the class and a written test will receive a certificate of completion. The class is designed for first-time boaters and as a refresher for more experienced boat owners. The course covers boat selection, safety equipment, boat handling, boating regulations, trailering your boat, and more. The class is taught by experienced crew members of our local Mendocino County Coast Guard Auxiliary Flotilla. For more information and to sign up for the course, please contact Madeline Brink at 707-937-3878, not later than June 2nd. The flotilla will also perform a free and confidential vessel safety examination of your boat to ensure that it meets all safety requirements. A VSE sticker will be issued for all vessels passing this examination. To schedule your VSE, please contact Charles Poplinger at 707-937-3995.